Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into the world of a dog breed that's as unique as it is misunderstood, the Pekingese. These little furballs are like the royalty of the canine kingdom, but owning one can be a whole different story. So what exactly is a Pekingese? Buckle up, we're about to explore this fluffy enigma. 1. The royal background. First off, let's talk about their history. Pekingese originated in China over 2,000 years ago, bred specifically as lapdogs for the Chinese imperial family. That's right, these dogs were pampered like little furry emperors. Imagine being so special that you have servants catering to your every whim. If you think your dog is spoiled now, just wait until you meet a Pekingese. They're practically royalty with a side of attitude. 2. The lion-like appearance. Now let's get into their looks. The Pekingese is known for its distinct lion-like mane. Yes, mane. They've got this fluffy coat that makes them look like they just stepped out of a fairy tale. But don't be fooled by their regal appearance. Underneath all that fluff is a dog that knows it's cute and isn't afraid to use it. They carry themselves with an air of dignity that says, "I'm not just a dog, I'm an experience." 3. The size factor. Let's talk size. Pekingese are small, standing about 6 to 9 inches tall and weighing between 7 to 14 pounds. But don't let their size fool you. They may look like pocket-sized companions, but they've got personalities larger than life. You'll find yourself constantly reminding them that they're not actually in charge of the household. The 4th independent streak. Speaking of personalities, Pekingese are fiercely independent. These dogs have been living in palaces for centuries, and they know it. Training them can feel like trying to convince a cat to take a bath. Good luck with that. They can be stubborn and often think they're the ones calling the shots. You'll need patience and creativity to get them to follow commands. 5. The health concerns. Now let's discuss health issues, because owning a Pekingese can feel like signing up for a lifetime of vet visits. They're prone to brachycephalic syndrome due to their flat faces, which means breathing problems are common. You'll find yourself worrying more about their health than your own. Is my dog snoring too loudly? Should I call the vet? 6. The grooming challenge. Let's not forget about grooming. Those long, luxurious coats require regular maintenance to prevent tangles and mats. You'll spend more time brushing your Pekingese than you will enjoying their company. And don't even get me started on keeping those adorable facial wrinkles clean. If you don't, you might as well invite skin infections over for tea. 7. The watchdog role. Despite their small stature, Pekingese take their watchdog duties seriously. They may look cute and cuddly, but they'll alert you at the slightest sound outside, like a leaf falling or a squirrel contemplating life choices. You'll find yourself saying, "It's just a leaf," while they bark like there's an intruder in the house. 8. The aloofness factor. Let's talk about their temperament. While they're affectionate with their families, they can be quite aloof with strangers. If you're looking for a dog that will greet your guests with enthusiasm, think again. Your new Pekingese might just give them the side eye and go back to napping on its throne. 9. The exercise needs. Pekingese don't require much exercise. Thank goodness for that. A short walk or some playtime indoors will suffice. They're not exactly training for the canine Olympics. They'd much rather lounge around on your lap while you binge watch your favorite shows. 10. The lifespan. Now let's talk longevity. Pekingese typically live between 12 to 15 years, so when you bring one home, remember, you're signing up for years of companionship and potential drama. You'll have plenty of time to bond over shared snacks and questionable life choices. 11. The drooling dilemma. And yes, let's address drooling. While they're not known for excessive drooling like some breeds, you might find some slobber around when they get excited or see food, so keep those napkins handy. 12. The final verdict. In conclusion, owning a Pekingese can be both rewarding and challenging. They bring joy and companionship, but also come with quirks that can test your patience. If you're ready for a dog that thinks it's royalty and isn't afraid to show it, then welcome aboard. Just remember, with great fluff comes great responsibility. So next time someone asks you what a Pekingese is, tell them it's not just a dog, it's an experience, a fluffy little bundle of attitude wrapped in royal history. Thank you all for listening. May your pets be less demanding than these proud little companions.